Well, now the question is, why do I need two Ethernet cable? Well, here's the thing. I have one PC, it says Legion, right? It connects to this Legion PC, right? Legion Lenovo, right? They are connected together, right? This PC screen and this PC together, they have one Ethernet cable. It is connected all the way here. Okay, now we go back. Now I have another PC and another PC screen that says Asus, and this is Asus. They are connected together. Okay, these two and these two are not connected together because these are not the same, and because they are not the same, I need a second Ethernet cable. And I have one here, but it does not connect there. My Ethernet cable only connects to 1 and 2 here, and this is Legion. And I have one here. It does not connect any internet to any PC either. So to make both PC works, to make the other PC works, I bought another Ethernet cable and have to go probably to Asus, and I can connect this to here. I had my desk before here, but I wanted to move it to the bedroom, and it's only connect here. I tried in the hallway. When you connect numbers, it does not work. It's only connect there. So this is why I need a second Ethernet cable to make internet work for this PC screen. Because I can only have one Ethernet cable in one PC. I cannot have two. Because Samsung cables, this one, does not connect to Legion. I have tried, it does not connect. For my second monitor PC screen to connect to this one, it has to be the same. Legion and Legion, or Asus, Asus, right? So that is what I need. I went to Media Market, I said, hey, does this Asus fit Legion if you buy it? Yes, they say. You paid that I got, and I had to have 2 keyboards and 2 mouse, and that's not cool. I need only 1 keyboard, 1 mouse, and for that I only need 1 Ethernet cable, which is I have to buy a new monitor screen to connect the other. Because they are not the same. It has to be the same PC. Thank you.